Hello and welcome guys and welcome to this vlog. And yes, there's an old saying that the only constant is change. Everything is changing around us. Everything is moving ahead. Everything is growing. Everything is becoming dynamic. So we have to adopt the ways, we have to adopt the newer horizons. We have to adopt the newer technology. We have to adopt the newer way world is looking at things, and we have to adopt the way world is approaching things now. Considering the change which has happened in the world, the one of the biggest change which humankind has ever seen, corona pandemic. So guys, there have been rumors, some talks, some discussions. No concrete notification has yet been out, but there has been a lot of convincing reasons to believe that institute is going for online examination. And yes, at least for foundation and CAT students, it's pretty much sure that institute is definitely going to release a notification in which the examination is going to be conducted online, either from your home or from a facility which is present in your vicinity, a center, a computer center or something like this, where you have to go and perform your examination. Something of this sort is being planned at the institute level. The message is very clear from the institute, from the CC members, although it's not formally written, but they are pretty sure that yes, we are going to move on an online platform for conducting our examinations. Most likely for inter and final as well, the same steps could be followed. Now I am here in front of you. I usually do not talk about things unless and until they become certain, unless and until notification is out and we have the blueprint of what is happening. But I am here in front of you because many of you, after hearing all these things, are getting a little nervous, are getting a little unconfident. And I do not know the reason why. Why are you getting unconfident? So you are telling me that, sir, we don't know how would this online examination work, and we are not good at it. We are not very good at operating machines. We are not good at operating computers, laptops, etc. And we are not sure whether we are going to perform. We will be able to perform 100% in our examination or not if it's conducted online. We don't know what is going to happen. Guys, why this lack of confidence in all of you? Why? It's a change. It's a change in technology. There were times when we used to be on our mobile phones. The phones were used to be the button mobile phones and not the touch screen. Soon as touch screen came into place, they surfaced up in the society. Guys, we were used to the touch screen mobile phones. And now we are living in a world where we are also envisaging some virtual mobile phones. We have to move. It is not an option. It is not practical to have examination in the examination centers, for sure. Even if it's practical, we cannot ask our students to write the paper and spend so much time in the examination center. It's a very, very practical approach to ask the student to be at home, and in the vicinity, comfort and safety of the home, you give your examination. It's very, very practical. And if the institute is moving towards this direction, I think we should be more than happy about it. Please don't be unconfident about it. Please don't be jittery about it. Please don't be conscious about it that, sir, what is going to happen? We don't know. We are very unconfident. No, don't be unconfident. Because if it's the first time for you, it will be the first time for all the people who are appearing in that examination with you. It will be the first time for all of them. So you need not worry. Just mentally, I just want to calm you mentally. Just mentally accept the fact that yes, the institute is moving towards digitalization. Just accept that fact. And once you accept that fact, then you are going to see that your mind will respond to the changes much more favorably rather than unfavorably, just like you are doing right now. So I'm still eagerly with crossed fingers waiting for the notifications, which our institute president has said that after 31st of July, when government is going to release its notification, then these notifications will be released. I think institute is working really hard on the blueprint, and the draft blueprint would have been prepared and it would be ready, and it will just be released soon as the notification is released. So institute is working hard on it. I think it's time to to accept the change wholeheartedly, to embrace the change, and to really move towards a direction of digitalization, towards growth, and towards multi-level of efficiency, and attaining good levels of results. So I'm very sure that my students who've always been confident, who've always been achievers, who've always been fighters, are going to fight with this particular new thing, new technology also equally well. Undoubtedly, there are certain questions in my mind as well, that what will happen to students who don't have laptops or resources to purchase laptops, who do not have any computer center in their vicinity, who stay in far-fetched rural areas where accessibility to internet or to computer centers or to technology is quite rare or quite difficult. What will happen to those cadre of people? I'm very sure that institute is going to take care of that a lot as well. So don't worry, let's wait for the final blueprint. Till that time, just spend your time in studying. I know you are not studying right now a lot, and I'm not asking you to study also. It's really okay if you're not studying, because the time is such, your mind is disturbed right now. Do not study. Engage yourself in some recreational activities. Engage yourself in probably things which you always want to do, your hobbies. Please be fit. Do some exercises daily morning. Yoga or some exercises are a must daily morning. Do not spoil your health. It should not so happen that once you get back to your studying routine after a month or whatever time it takes, it should not happen that at that point in time you find your health absolutely ruined. So keep your health well, and employ yourself in some good creative things like reading books. Read a book. Self-help book are the best to read at this point in time, and yes, I have many suggestions for you for the self-help books. Probably some of the suggestions are given in the description box below. Just read those self-help books and utilize this time to the best of your ability to improve yourself, because the best investment you can do is in yourself. This is the time to do that investment. Please do that investment, and I'll be coming up with more videos on this online exam whenever that blueprint is out, or whenever I get to hear about it from someone. So don't worry, there's always a first time. This is the first time for you. There was a time when you had started your preparations for the first time. You had studied law for the first time. You had studied audit for the first time. You had studied accounts for the first time. And today you are a prodigy in all those subjects. So don't worry. There's always a first time. This is our first time. We'll fight it. We'll conquer it wholeheartedly. And we'll come up as a winner. So to all the CMA students, yes, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India is moving towards digitalization, and we are wholeheartedly supporting this initiative of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and we are ready to fight September 2020 examinations and December 2020 examinations on an online mode. With that message, all the very best and happy studying.